With the scraping system, you can now share product leads directly from the AI Smart Analyzer that's already formatted for Discord and School for sharing for others so that they can see the product leads. I know a lot of you are, like me, are in sourcing groups. Makes it very easy to share leads. So the first thing that you would do is log into your account as normal. You would go under the My Jobs tab. So we here have a sample one for Kohl's that I've sent. If I send that to the AI Analyzer, it's automatically going to load. So I simply wait for the AI Analyzer to load that sheet that I sent to it. And once it does, it'll have all of the leads. So you can see information here. The first thing I want to do is do Analyze Products. This is going to show me on this small scrape, what are the really good items that I found. So if I wanted to share a lead, I would click like excellent. Maybe I would sort by reviews to get something with decent velocity. And then I would simply copy this SKU. So I'm going to copy that and go up to the profit calculator here. And I'm simply going to paste that SKU and then do calculate profit. So what that does is it brings up the profit for that item, saying right now the buy box, which is pulled from Keepa, is $76. My base cost was $37 and $16 profit. And then if I wanted to share that lead, now there's a section here that says share this lead on Discord or School, has an image of the product and all the details. And to do that, I simply use this button to copy that. And then I can go into Discord and paste it. And I'll show you what that looks like. So you can see if I go into Discord and I just paste it, you can see that it has all the information here. What's cool about this is it has the image of the product. So you can see what it looks like. It has the details, the title, the brand, what your cost is, the buy box, and the profit. And then it also gives you a little bit of the AI Smart Analysis, saying like here for this particular one, 40% ROI is good or acceptable, and then it has high velocity. It has all of the links directly to the products built in. And the cool thing is if you've signed up for our referral program, when you post this and it says try web scraping, get 1,000 products free, it'll have your referral link here. So if I hit enter, this is kind of what it looks like, nice and formatted. It has the link here. It has the buy link. It has the Amazon link, so you can open those side by side. Again, this is on Discord. And then here's that try scraping free with the SDC deals. And if I click that and I say visit site, that brings up the referral where it has your code. And if they sign up to this, then you'll get 20% of everything that they purchase. And then if you go back into Discord, you can see these links. So if I click retail link and I go Amazon link, right side by side. So this one is now going directly to that product. And when it loads, it'll be that black shoe, that same one, 11.5. And then on Amazon, you can see the exact same shoe. So it makes it very easy for people in your community to be able to see these leads. The nice thing about that, again, is if you're in the Smart Analyzer, you can copy the SKU of any of these. If there's a lead that you think is good and that you want to share, it's just a matter of finding something that, say if I go good and I sort by the reviews and this is a decent one, say I copy that and go back up to the profit calculator. Again, all I have to do is paste in that SKU and it'll update with this one. So this is a $10 profit. Not great ROI for this one, but still not bad at $10. You see it updates here, and then I could simply copy that Discord message, go back to Discord and paste it. And again, it has all the information. It has the image, all the details. It says minimal profit, but high velocity. And then it has, again, your referral and the links right built in. So this is live now. I would encourage you to go check that out. And the more leads that you share, you're going to be providing benefit to the groups and communities that you are a part of, and B, making sure that you have registered and have that affiliate code. And all you have to do is log into the scraper and it'll associate your affiliate code with your account and it include that in that link. And then again, anyone who decides, okay, yeah, I'm going to try this out, they click this, they register an account, it's now forever associated with your affiliate, and 20% of everything that they purchase goes into your affiliate account, and then you simply request a payout. If you have any questions or feedback on this, let me know. And thanks again for being a part of the community.